Today I will be sharing with you how to set up a Flipgrid educator account. Flipgrid is a free education-focused platform which is used to create and share short videos to be used for virtual collaboration. A user produces a brief video around a topic and then will upload the video to a grid. Once the video is shared to the grid, other users can provide video feedback responses. This tech tool can be used at Rockland to help transition the department to e-learning. The steps below will assist you on setting up your educator account for Rockland with Flipgrid as a technology tool to enhance virtual-based learning discussions. Here are the directions. You'll want to first use your preferred internet browser. You'll type in flipgrid.com, and after arriving at the landing page, you will need to sign up for an account. You will then want to go and click on the Educator Sign Up button. If you follow this arrow here on the job aid, you will see the blue button on the right side of your internet screen, and you'll go ahead and click that. Next, you will be asked whether you want to set up an educator or a student account. In this instance, we were going to choose Educator Account, and you'll go ahead and make sure that tab is selected. And then you will register with either an existing Google or Microsoft account. For our purposes, we're going to go ahead and click Sign Up with Microsoft. And after you click that button, you will receive a notification from Microsoft that's going to request some information from you. You will fill in your profile and data and click Accept. To create your educator account, you're going to be asked to share information about your classroom. Go ahead and complete the required demographic information as you see outlined here in the red box, and you'll type in your information along with your birth date. Step 7, you'll go ahead and click Create Account. After clicking the Create Account button, you're going to receive the Welcome to Flipgrid page. Then you'll go ahead and start My Grid by clicking the button on the right. Congratulations, you've started using Flipgrid and you're ready to go. A few tips for you. You'll want to make sure that you check your email box for a welcome email from Team Flipgrid. The email is going to provide you with an array of performance support tools that will help you familiarize yourself with Flipgrid. You have access to review thousands of free Flipgrid lessons shared by your peers and access to best practices, tips, and free Flipgrid support. I look forward to hearing how you use this tool in your classroom.